Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is cleaning of food, separation of substances. Chapter 3 in Science Class 6. First of all, I will solve some question in book. Let's begin. Now, multiple choice question. Particles of iron are separated from a mixture by answer magnet. Second, grains are separated from chaff by air blowing. Third, tea leaves are separated from tea by hand picking. For loading, we make use of alarm. 5. Sieving is used for separating components of different answer sizes. Sixth question. A salt from a solution can be obtained by evaporation. 7. Cream is obtained from milk by using the method of churning. 8. Which of the following mixture can be separated by using water, crystal, sugar and soya seeds? 9. What name is given to the solid left on the filtered paper after filtration? Answer sediments. B question, give one word from the following. First, processes of separating dry components from a mixture with the help of wind. Answer is winnowing. Second, method used for separating grains from chaff. 3. Process of separating impure components from a pure on by hand. Answer hand picking. 4. Name the methods used for separating fine sand particles from grains. Answer sedimentation. 5. Formation of crystal on evaporation of water from a salt solution. Crystallization. 6. The insoluble substance says that settle down in water at the bottom of the container. Answer sediments. Answer sediments. 7. Pouring water liquid out from above the sediments without disturbing them. Decantation. 8. The substance used for loading to expected sedimentation of impurities in water. Loading. 9. Name of the process to recover salt from seawater. Evaporation. 10. Process of separating and obtaining both salt and water from solution. Distillation. After that, I will solve C question. State whether true or false. Sieving is the right process for separating fins and from grains. False. Second, evaporation process help in obtaining salt from seawater. True. 3. Threasing is the process from separating in fillings from grains. False. 4. Winnowing is used to separate chaff from grains. True. D. Streak out of the wrong word from the following. First, grain from chaff is separated by the process of decantation. Winnowing. Answer is winnowing. Second, tea leaves from tea are separated by filtration. Sedimentation. Filtration. 3. Iron dust is separated from crystal, sugar, hand picking and magnet. Answer magnet. 4. Salt is obtained from salt solution by evaporation. Condensation of water. Answer is evaporation. After that, I have done some question in book. After that, I will solve E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, student, in notebook. E. Cleaning of food and separation of substances. Chapter 3. E. Name the properties of the components and the processes to separate the components from the following mixture. First, cream from milk. Cream is lighter than water. Churning. Answer, property. Cream is lighter than milk. Processes, churning. Second, salt from salt solution. Property, salt is soluble in water and water evaporation. Okay student, processes होगा evaporation. 3. Tea leaves from tea. property होगा tea leaves are insoluble in water and processes will be filtration. Okay. 4. Iron pieces from sulfur properties. Iron is magnetic and sulfur is not. Process is magnetic separation. 5. Oil from water property. Oil is immiscible with water and has the lower density. Processes decantation. F. How do we separate our components? First question is heavier than the other. Answer: use sedimentation and decantation. The heavier components will settle at the bottom and the lighter components can be powered off. Second question is larger than the other. Answer: filtration. Answer: use filtration. A filter will allow the smaller components to pass through, which retaining the larger one. 3. Floats and the other sinks. Answer: use decantation. Use decantation or skimming. The floating components can be skimmed off or the liquid can be decanted, leaving the sunken components. 4. Is soluble in water and the other is not. Answer: use filtration and evaporation. The insoluble components can be filtered out and the soluble components can be recovered by evaporating the water. G. Explain the methods to be used for the separation of the components from the following mixture. First, iron nails, wheat grains and husk. Answer: hand picking. Remove the iron nails manually due to their distinct size and appearances. Okay. Winnowing separates the husk from the wheat grains by using wind to blow away the lighter husk particles while the heavier wheat grains fall down. Second, iron fillings, rice grains and powdered salt. Answer: magnetic separation. Magnetic separation. Use a magnet to separate the iron fillings from the mixture. Sieving. Employ a sieve to separate the rice grains from the powdered salt. 3. Soya mustard seed sugar. Answer: sieving. Use a sieve to separate the larger soya and mustard seed from the smaller sugar. Hand picking. If there is a significant size differences between the soya and mustard seeds, they can be separated by hand. 4. Black pepper, whole almonds and dry neem leaves. Answer: hand picking. Hand picking separates the components manually due to their distinct sizes and shapes. Okay, student. Sievings. Eat the size of the black pepper, almonds and neem leaves are different enough. Sievings can be used to separate them. Question number 5. Iron filling, sulfur and salt. Answer: magnetic separation. Use a magnet to separate the iron fillings. Dissolving and filtration. Dissolve the salt in water, then filter. The mixture to separate the insoluble sulfur. Evaporate the water to recover the salt. H. Explain the following terms with respect to cleaning of food. Threasing. The process of separating grains from the stalk or husk. After harvest, this is done by beating the plant material to release the edible part. Winnowing. The process of separating lighter particles like husk from heavier grains using wind or an air current. Sievings. The processes of separating materials of different sizes by passing them through a sieve. Mace and mace or sieve, sieve, sieve. Okay, student. Loading. In the context of cleaning, loading could refer to the processes of adding the materials to be cleaned into a container or device. 5. Sedimentation, the process of allowing heavier particles to settle at the bottom of a liquid, which can be used to separate solid particles from liquid. 6. Decantation, the process of carefully pouring off the liquid layer from the mixture after the heavier particles have settled settled at the bottom. Settle at the bottom. I. Define the flowing. Solute. Solute. Okay, student. Solute. A solute is substances that are dissolved in another substances known as the solvent to create a solution. Second, solvent. A solvent is a substances, typically a liquid that dissolve another substances. The solute forming a solution water is often called the universal solvent due to its ability to dissolve many substances. Okay, student. Solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances where a substance, the solute, is dissolved in another substance, the solvent. 4. Miscible liquid. Miscible liquid are liquids that can mix together in any proportion to form a homogeneous solution. An example of miscible liquids is alcohol and water. 5. Immiscible liquid. Immiscible liquid are liquid that do not mix together, instead forming separate layer when combined. Examples of immiscible liquids include oil and water. Suspension. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture in which solute particles are dispersed in a liquid but will settle out over time if left undisturbed. Long answer type question. Okay, student. First question, what is mechanized farming? Answer, mechanized farming is a system of agriculture that uses machinery to increases productivity and efficiency, reducing the need for manual labor. Second question, describe the laboratory process of filtration. Answer, involves passing a mixture through a filter medium to separate solute from liquids. The mixture is poured into a filter paper placed in a funnel, allowing the liquid to pass through while the solute particles are retained on the filter. Okay, student. Question number 3. How to separate iron fillings from fresh aluminium turnings? Answer, iron fillings can be separated from fresh aluminium turning using a magnet. Iron is magnetic while aluminium is not. The magnet will attract the iron filling, leaving the aluminium behind. 4. How is salt obtained from seawater? Answer, through evaporation. Seawater is collected in shallow pools and the sun's heat evaporates the water, leaving behind the salt crystals. These crystals are then harvested and processed. 5. How is cream obtained from milk? Answer. Cream is obtained from milk through a process called centrifugation. Centrifugations, which separates the light fat molecules from the heavier milk components. Another method is gravity separation, where milk is left undisturbed, allowing the fat to rise to the top. 6. Explain the difference between a solution and suspension. Answer. A solution is a homogeneous mixture where a substance's solute is dissolved completely into another solvent, forming a single phase. The particles are very small and not visible to the naked eye. Examples include salt water and sugar dissolved in water. Suspension. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture where larger particles are dispersed but not dissolved in a liquid. These particles are visible to the naked eye and will settle out. Example include sand in water or chalk powder in water. 7. Sea water is a solution of various salts and even then we call it a mixture. Why? Answer. Sea water is considered a mixture because it contains multiple substances such as salts, minerals and organic matter which are not chemically bonded together. Although the salts are dissolved, making it a solution, the overall composition is still a combination of different components, thus a mixture. Okay, student, at the last question, how do immiscible liquid can be separated from their mixture? Answer. The miscible liquids can be separated using a separating funnel. These methods release on the difference in densities of the two liquids. The denser liquid is drained out from the bottom, leaving the less dense liquid behind. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay student, Allah Hafiz.